Okay.
All right, we're here today. It is Friday, August the 29th, and we have some progress updates here. So it's going to be a bit of a longer video, but we're going to start off with Jared and Dave talking about them.
This is still Jared. I know I look a little different. That's this one update for the last couple weeks. I did get my hair cut, and my mustache doesn't stick out like it did before. So
Very important.
big changes happening.
It scared us when he came on site the day that he had it done.
You didn't recognize him.
Didn't recognize him whatsoever. So,
But it's still me. So we've had some really big changes last few weeks since we've had our last video. So looking around, you can really see some electrical is started behind us here. You can see some rough-in happening, which is really exciting to see. We've also taken down the steeple. So
we did that a couple of Fridays ago now. We had a gentleman in with his crane, and basically we hooked it up, and very gingerly, with lots of safety precautions in place to take the video to take it down, and it'll end up staying on site eventually as a little commemorative to the church and its history and stuff. So
so it was really neat to see that happen. And since that's happened, we've actually been able to finish off the roof. So we now have a brand new metal roof sealing the place up. So now everything we do will be dry. So that's a bonus. We've still been working on getting some windows finished. We have a few more to do once we do some excavation work around site. That should be starting next week. We should have the start of our septic and cisterns and well happening. Other things on site, I guess we've started insulating as well, the ceilings, where we have to add some more to keep the place warm in the winter.
we've just ordered or finalized the plans for the layouts for all 5 of the unit kitchens, and all of the appliances have been ordered, is my understanding.
Yes. Yep.
And
The siding?
the siding, yes.
Oh my goodness,
that's
our
the big change, I
exterior.
think. So yeah.
Yeah, definitely a visual change when you drive down the street and look at it. We've started one side of the sidings going on, so you can see the colors we've chosen, or Andrea and Jeremy have chosen for this project. It looks nice, so it's nice to see that going on. Yeah.
It's gonna. We were just saying outside that it's almost going to be like a little fishing village feel, because you have you've got 3 different colors. Takes you back to that kind of thing. So it'll be
that
interesting to see.
era.
It'll be nice to see when it's done.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So stay tuned for more.
That's
Yeah,
right. And
I
you
guess so.
you might have a different hairstyle next time
You
again.
never
That's
know,
true.
yeah.
I might even have mine cut by that point as well. So
Thanks, guys.
no worries. Thank you.